the best solution for ice fishing and hunting. This is how the creators of this all-terrain vehicle begin their presentation. They didn't try to innovate anything. In fact, this is basically a flat-bottom boat on. It weighs 522 kilograms. It offers a payload of 306 kilograms. It has a 26.5 horsepower engine and a fuel capacity of 19 liters. It overcomes snow, ice, muds, and open water with ease. The ground clearance is adjustable from norths to 28 centimeter. Thanks to the awning and insulated floor, you can have a great time even in bad weather besides if necessary. You can open 4 fishing holes with a diameter of 25 centimeters and stay inside. The 2022 version is selling for $26,000. Next up is this bait boat, which is better equipped than any real boat. Inside this enough room for 3 kilograms of bait. Also, it's fitted with the Parrot's navigation system, sonar and echo sounder. The latter works at a range of 300. The app will help you configure the settings. All you have to do is set the roads and mark baiting points, and the boat will do the rest. With the user-friendly app, you can also monitor the work and view the data from your smartphone. In addition, the creators of this product installed a 13,400 mAh battery, which is enough for 3.5 hours up. You can show off your cap and see how your fellow fishermen are doing through the social network in the app. The model weighs 5.4 kilograms and its price is $1,800. Hey, stop being lazy. It's time to use that brain of. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. The power of nature and wild animals. Amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You will find all this and much more here. Subscribe now. You will not regret it. Military drones, delivery drones, rescue drones, and we've shown you many types of drones in our videos. But fishermen have been left out, so it's time to make amends and check out the AguaDrone. It can easily land on the water and then fly up again, thanks to its watertight casing, which can even withstand salt water. Finding a fish at depths of up to 40 meters, not a problem. The drone comes with sonar, which transmits data via Wi-Fi up to 90 meters. The drone also has a remote control payload pod. It can hold about 1 kilogram of bait. Thanks to the modular system, you can add other options. For example, the Agua Data module will analyze the water based on a variety of parameters such as pH level according to the designers. The model is a combination of common sense and modern technology. The price is $700. Every winter fishing fan has at least one story of a huge fish that slipped away at the last moment. But thanks to the frustration of losing a fish, the Crappie Coffin trap was born. The idea is that you drop the trap in the hole and fish as usual. Fish is biting. Great. Pull the fish into the trap and it won't go anywhere. The trap is 15 to 25 centimeters in diameter. It works great even with thin, lightweight fishing line. The trap has a locking rod on a strap for depth adjustment. The rubber plastic composite retains flexibility even in extreme cold. Once you try the trap, you won't want to fish without it. The manufacturer believes the price is $45. Next, we have the first all-weather removable hood with the simple name Overcap. It's a great product not only for fishermen, but also for other outdoor end, like hunters and hikers. It weighs 400 grams and works well in any weather, protecting you from rain, snow, wind, and sun. The creators suggest attaching it to a backpack, for which they also offer a special rain cap. A mosquito net and back attachment system is also available for those who don't use backpacks. The hood is 36 centimeters, 33 centimeters wide, and can be folded and unfolded in one motion. There are 3 color options: camouflage, white, and black, but the price is frankly surprising: $144. Catch yourself a real family fishing experience. The creators of this product suggest they live in New Zealand, so they know a lot about fishing. Back in 2006, that country exported $1.3 billion worth of fish and seafood. This red shark can help even in bad weather. It's able to work in rough seas and is not afraid of currents, steadily keeping its course. The range is 2,300 meters from the shore. The settings are easy to understand, even for people who are not very tech savvy. For example, setting the course using the point and go system takes literally seconds, and if the battery is depleted while fishing, the shark will return back high itself. It doesn't weigh much, about 12 kilograms together with the batteries. The price starts at $2,550. When life gives you lemons, make lemonade. And then when life gives you fishing holes, you can chill your laminate and other drinks as well. This product that looks like an upside-down traffic cone can hold 12 cans at once, and as soon as you pick up a can, another one pops. Because the lower parts of the wonderful device retracts, your drinks will stay as cold as the water you are fishing in notes. The manufacturer, this simple and amusing invention, is priced at $36.